keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube land. Another week has spun around as quick as that. There's no premiere from me tonight. I'm going to start trying to do a premiere every couple of weeks. It's a little bit too much of an ask to be able to do it every week. Some of that stuff that I've recently put up was filmed quite a while ago. If the most observant of you will notice, there's areas in the workshop. You know how it is. It's just a quick note, really, a workshop update, just to remind everybody that on the 30th of September, I will be doing the draw for my giveaway. I'm not quite sure how it's being done yet. We'll get to that when we'll get to that stage. Then we'll look at it. I think it'll just be a random wheel, random name generator, and yeah, we'll get it sorted. I'd also like to remind people that my wall art challenge is live. You have until the 14th of October. If you'd like to take part, have a look at my other video, which I will put here or here or here or here, and I'll also put it in the description. You know the score. The project is a 300mm by 300mm 12 by 12 inch approximately piece of wall art. Doesn't have to be square, it can be round, as long as it's around about that size. But anyway, details are all in that video, here, but you know the one. Please tag me, DM me, private message me, however you get hold of me, carrier pigeon, you know, all the ones that Jake and Jamie go on about.
If you don't have a pigeon, you could always send a hobbit. After all, they were good enough to take the ring to Mordor.
Let me know where your either video or Instagram post is, and I can hopefully put it in the description, and we can get you some traffic over there. Who knows, a bit of mutual back scratching. We might gain something from it. If nothing else, we're going to gain a project from it. You know how it is. 14th of October. Nothing really wants to go live until the 14th of October. Don't forget the tag, hashtag wallartchallenge. So that's enough for me this week. Don't forget, giveaway.
Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
Wall art challenge, 14th of October. If you want to get in it, do what you can, and I will see you next week, hopefully with a video. Catch you all later. Bye-bye. There we are then.